In the business review this week, the Agriculture and Commerce Ministry takes a look at the local producers to look at CARICOM market as an outlet. Mr. Shaw was speaking after touring the Arosa, Jamaica meat processing facility in Draughall, St. Ann last week. Dashan Hendricks has that report in this week's business review.
Agriculture and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw continuing his push for more producers to exploit the CARICOM market.
CARICOM is supposed to be a free trade area between Jamaica and 15 other countries in the Caribbean region, right? And it's called the single market and economy, except Jamaica has been the single market importing everything. And we are not exporting anything to them.
He was touring the Arosa Limited meat processing plant in St. Ann late last week when he reiterated the comment.
We process a variety of hams, bacon, sausages that we sell mainly to the hotel market, supermarkets, and we do local consumers.
But there has been a glut of pork in recent months. Prices are falling and some farmers can't get an outlet to sell.
Both Arosa and other processors need to step up their processing so that what we can't sell in Jamaica and what we can't sell to the hotels, guess where we need to sell it to now? Overseas. But start with the CARICOM.
Yes. But as mentioned, CARICOM is not the only market he wants to see processors targeting. The multi-billion-dollar a year market for food consumed in hotels has not taken a back seat to the CARICOM push.
I've been complaining that the hotels purchase far too much of what they consume and use in the hotels from abroad. This is a good example, I think, that should be matched by other people, right? Not just in meats, but in other processed foods, in freshly grown vegetables and fruits and so on.
But equally in that push, Mr. Shaw says he wants to see Jamaican producers incorporating more local raw materials in their production. It's something he said he saw at Arosa.
What I'm most impressed about is that in all of this meat processing operations, the vast majority of his raw materials are grown in Jamaica, right? He uses mostly pork, all his pork, Jamaican grown. He uses chicken, for instance, in his sausages. All his chicken is from Jamaica.
It's now for policies to be implemented to ensure producers walk the talk the Agriculture and Commerce Minister has been making. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.